Hello everyone, welcome on Nodejs channel. In this video, we will gonna talk about the forgot password page. Govind Sharma, a viewer of this channel, has asked me to create a new video on the forgot password page of the blog app. So in this video, I'm going to create a new page called forgot password page. You can see that in a sign in page, we have an option for the forgot password. So in this video, we will gonna create a page for the forgot password and we will gonna connect the forgot password page to the corresponding REST API endpoint. If I will go on a backend code, in a backend code, you will find that in one of the video of the backend code, I created the REST API endpoint for the forgot password. If you're not able to find that video, I will give the video link of this REST API creation for the forgot password in the description. Please have a look on it if you forgot some of the point. So in this video, first I will gonna create a new page. The page will be forgot password page and we will gonna connect that forgot password page to the corresponding REST API endpoint. Let me create a new page. The file name will be forgot password dot file and I'm creating this thing inside the pages folder only. Then instead of writing the whole code, I mean the whole code, what I will do that I will just copy all the code of the sign-in page and I will going to modify it because you know already all the thing that how to create a text form field and how to do the validation, all the thing you know. So I'm just going to copy all the code and I'm going to paste it inside here. And let's make the necessary changes. What are the changes we will do? That first we have to change the class name. The class name will be forgot password. Let me find all the places where I use the sign in page and let me just change the page to forgot password page. Okay. Also, we have to change the state name also. So if you don't know the shortcut key of the VS Code is Control D. Okay. To find all the similar kind of variable. I will going to change it. Let me just put the state and let me just change the only this sign in. Instead of signing, I am going to use the forgot password. All are good. And before I will go on a forgot password page, what I will gonna do that in a sign in page, I will call this forgot password page. So let me go on a forgot password button. So where we will have that button, just let me go there. It will be after the sign in page. Let me just find the, here we have the new user and here we have the forgot password. Basically, it is right now a text. What I'm going to do that I will going to wrap this text with a new widget and where is wrap it with widget and the widget will be inkwell because we wanted to make this clickable and inside the inkwell we have the property called onTap. We will going to use the onTap and onTap will take an method and what I'm going to do that I will use the navigator to navigate from the sign in page to the forgot password page. Navigator dot push and the context will be the same and in the route we have to provide the material page route. I'm going to provide material page route. I'm just wrapping this video as soon as possible because here I have to use the context and now I will call the forgot password page. Forgot password page and let me just provide this thing and last semicolon. Okay, now all are good. I will hit the save and hot reload will happen. And if I will click on a forgot password, then we will land into the forgot password page. Right now, it's same as the sign in page because I just copied the whole code of the sign in page. Now let me go on a forgot password page and change these test works. Instead of the sign in with email, the name will be forgot password. Okay, I will hit the save. And let me go on a REST API endpoint. What are the parameters we need? The first parameter we need is username, which we are passing on a URL itself. With help of the username, we will gonna find the data on the database. Then we will gonna need the password, and password we are passing inside the body parameter. Okay, we need only two things. First one is username, second one is password. Username will be append on a URL, and password we will send using the body parameter. So that's it. So username will be there, no problem. Password will be there, no problem. These suffix icon will be there, no problem. And instead of the forgot password, what I'm going to do, I will just delete the forgot password and new user tab from here. So we are in a forgot password place, and I'm just going to delete the whole total row. This row which contain the two things, the forgot password one and the new user one. And I'm just going to delete, and I will just hit the save to see the hot reload. Okay, now two thing is deleted. And instead of the sign in, I will just use the update password text. That will be much better. Update password. So if you forgot that how I created this sign up page and sign in page, so I will provide the video link again on the description. Please have a look on it because I'm not writing the whole code again. All the thing, the validation part, the text form field creation part is already completed. That's why I thought that you can create a forgot password page by your own. But Govind Sharma asked me to create a new video. That's why I'm creating this video again for the forgot password page. So okay, the update password is there, but it's not looking great. I will just use the 14 font size or the 15. Okay, that will be great. All the things are there right now. The username tab is there, password tab is there. The validation of the username and password is already completed. Now only thing we have to change is the logic part after the clicking the update password. So let me go on a update password on tap method, and inside the on tap method you can find that all the things are there. So what I will do, I will just gonna delete all the thing. We don't need all the things here. I'm just going to delete it. So here we have to write the logic. So if I will go on above of the whole class, then you will find that we have the network handler, we have the user controller and password controller. The corresponding controller assigned to the corresponding text form field. So the username of this page we will got on a username controller, and password we will get on a password controller. And we will have to use the network handler to connect this page to the corresponding REST API endpoint. So let me go inside the on tab, and what response, let me write the logic. We will have to use the network handler, and inside the network handler I have to use the await first. We have the post method. Yes, we have the post method. Here we have to provide the URL, and what will be the URL? The URL will be slash user slash update, or else I can go here slash update, and we have to provide the username also. Let me provide the username also, and how we will gonna provide the username? I will use the string interpolation, and we have the controller username controller. This one, let me use the username controller to get the username dot txt body text. Inside the body we have to provide the password. Let me create a map string string name of the variable will be data, and here we will gonna provide the password. The exact name will be needed. The exact name is the password only. Okay, equal to password controller dot txt. I had to wrap it with the inverted comma. I will hit the save, and I will have to provide the this data one over here and the semicolon. I will hit the save. Everything is fine. Just one thing I had to do, that if the password is successfully updated, which means the response is status code is either the 200 or the response dot status code is 201, which means the password is successfully updated. Then we have to navigate to the welcome screen again, because we changed our password, and after the changing a password, user have to log in again. So basically we will have to navigate to the welcome screen, and we will want to use the push and remove until, because after the navigation to the welcome screen, if someone click on a back button, then it will not again come on a forgot password page. I'm going to use the material page route builder. We have to provide the context and welcome screen, welcome page. Okay, all the thing are good. I just had to test it, and some of the thing like validation part, all are the thing, I mean the circular progress bar, that are the thing you have to manage by yourself. I'm not writing the all the code, because all the code already written on a sign-in page. Take a reference of the sign-in page and do the experiment on a forgot password page, because it's kind of learning, and now we have to test it. But there is an error that I'm using here a post method, and if I will go on backend code, then here you can see that I'm using the patch method. So we have to fix it before the testing the code. For that, what I will do, that I'm going to change the some of the code on a network handler. In the network handler, here we have the post method, and I will just gonna copy the post method. All other thing will be the same, because patch method is similar kind of thing of the post method. I'm going to change the method name to patch to post to patch, sorry, and all other thing will be same. I just have to change this post to http dot patch, and the rest of the thing will be the same. We are using the patch method, and I had to just go on a forgot password. Instead of the post, I have to write the patch. So let me use the patch. Now we need to, I just found one bug while seeing this patch method, that we are using the middleware.check token. We don't have to use this middleware.check token right now, because we didn't log in yet to the blog app, and the middleware.check token is useful after the logging, because after the login only we are getting the token. So I just removed it, and all the thing will be good, then it will work fine. So let me just work on a dev stack 06, which is the main username for the testing the blog app, and the password will be 54321. I'm updating the password to 54321 because first we are using the password 12345, and I'm going to click on update password. We came on a welcome page, which means the password is updated. Let me check it. I will go on a sign in page, and in a sign in page, I will going to log with the devstack06 again. The password will be 54321, and I'm going to click on a sign in. Okay, we successfully sign in with the blog app. So the purpose of this video is completed. We created a forgot password page. In a forgot password page, we are able to update the password. So thank you all. Happy coding. And one more last video on a blog app, because I'm ending this series and I'm working on a new series which will be a social media app or anything. You can suggest me on a comment section that what kind of video I will make or what kind of new project I will start, which will involve the Node.js and Flutter or Django, Flask, any kind of stack. So please let me know on a comment section, and help me to grow this channel, um, because now we are going to be a 1K family. So keep helping me, and thank you.